just getting ready to unpackage the exhaust. We're like, oh, it should be nice. And then, what do you call this, Dad? What do you call this?
Foam packing. It's injection foam for packing, and it's great.
So this is gonna be
A
fun.
wonderful project just to get it out of the box.
This is probably gonna be harder than actually installing it. Well, we can't say that yet, but I'm telling you now, it's.
Let's take a look here. Are you kidding me? It must have been Friday when they packed this thing. This is crazy. Wow, that's great.
I mean,
This is ridiculous. Oh yeah. All right.
all right, I'm gonna stop the video and help them. So you guys get the idea of how bad this is.
This is terrible.
All right, what do you say? What's wrong?
Oh, well, nothing's wrong, but just so everyone knows that there's no instructions with this thing other than remove the regulator. But with these types of locks, we found that all you really have to do is push them in really, really hard. And it feels like they don't come off. Well, they really don't. You have to pry underneath the things to get them to pop up. So if you watch, so I don't know if this is the best way to do this, but you see how we had to pry underneath here? They don't just come off super easy. This is the regulator, so now that it's loose, it does come off, but we weren't quite sure if there was another lock holding them in place or not, and we were super careful and concerned about breaking the connections there, but all you gotta do is push these really, really hard and pry underneath and it pops up. So there we go.
Yeah, we're just doing this because
This is just for fun.
yeah, and there's nothing on YouTube about it.
Yeah.
I'm sure someone else will have the same struggle. Well, we went probably 30 seconds, so we found another thing to say
All right.
about this.
Something that most people won't find in the instructions. It looks like we have to remove the old regulator mount, move it. They say move it forward, but I don't think that's necessarily the case. I think what they want you to do is it comes with a new adapter kit, and it looks like it bolts up perfectly right here. So you can see everything lines up. You can see the bolts on top line up, the bolts here line up, and these holes here mount with your regulator. So this kit's made for various Can-Am products, so just depending on which regulator, different wattage I think it is, will bolt on there, but I think this guy has to go, so we're going to take that out right now.
So as you saw in the last video, removed the old regulator plate. So then the kit comes with, so you still have to use the stock bolts, these two up here, and then it also comes with this new bolt here, comes with the kit. So then that's what it looks like when it's all mounted up there. So it's got, fits right in. Alright, so we got everything hooked up to the regulator. It kind of routed around the shock here. You see it's hooked up to the back. And then we zip tied them kind of all together so they're like kind of out of the way. So just so you guys get an idea of what it should kind of look like when it's all together here.
All right, first impressions.
Here we go.
What's your impressions here? Not that we got, they're all put back together, eh?
Yeah, eh?
It is from Canada, you know, eh?
Oh, I know. It's a lot louder than I thought it would be. Like, I would say it's like loud. It's like not as loud as a Raptor, but it's, geez.
Well, let's go take her for a rip.
Let's go take her for a rip. Yeah, let's go take her for a rip. with spark arrestor in, noise difference. You can tell by the reaction if it made a difference or not. Oh, it's a little bit, not as good. Give her some revs.
Not as deep.
Not nearly as deep, no. Wow, not as loud either. Still sounds good though.
Good though.